Yo guys, what's up? Today we're gonna play on Invaded Lands, and currently we're in a 3v3 sumo event, and I'm playing with Benji Senji. So I'm not that good at sumo, so we'll probably lose, but hopefully we get in the same team.
Hi YouTube.
Hello. Yeah, there's a bunch of sweaty people.
There's 22 people, bro. How long is this gonna be?
It is a 3v3, so I'm just gonna get a cinematic shot right here. This is just crazy.
I reckon the other spotty dog will be out first.
Okay.
Oh, never mind. I reckon up second. The TV1. And then this one guy's just watching.
Wow. This is very intense. Oh,
Very intense. I reckon, yeah. I reckon one of us are up next.
Oh, no.
Spotty dog? How's Spotty dog still in?
Oh, yeah. Wait, what?
Has he got a twin or something? Has he got a I think he's got a twin.
Yeah. Wait, did you say it was a spotty dog? I don't really see the dog in it.
Why? And it's got black spots.
I don't really see
Oh,
the
man.
dog though.
Are you in?
No. Good luck.
I'm in.
Oh, Benji
You see me?
Senji's there.
I'm probably gonna get bodied.
Good luck. Come on, Benji. Yo! Wait!
Oh, never mind. We lost.
Oh. Keep on spectating. Oh, I'm in.
Yeah,
Okay.
you're up.
I'm just gonna stay back. No!
No!
Oh!
Oh, right, you're gonna go and do some PvP in it now.
Yeah. I'm gonna use /KitPvP because I don't have anything else. Wait, I do /Kit Archer.
What did you get when you do /KitPvP?
Just iron armor. I need to get some. Oh,
Do you need to do space?
Yeah.
Oh, this is pretty sick, you know. I'd have to walk around the whole map getting stuff now.
Yeah, you can do it every 30 seconds as well.
Oh, nice. Right, you wanna jump down with me?
I already jumped.
Oh. I mean, I've come down anyway. Let's meet up.
I'm gonna kill this person.
Does blocking even do anything in this?
No. Let's kill this person now. Yes!
Nice. Oh, I have a stack of gaps now.
A stack? Jeez.
Who are we going for now?
Do you wanna go? No, this Swift Arrow's my friend. Kill this kid again. Hey.
He's killing me.
I said no to him. Don't kill that guy. Kill this.
Let's get him.
Oh my gosh, we just 3v1'd. They're doing a 3v. Oh no!
Yeah, I'm being.
Be careful. They're gonna.
I'm killing him. I don't have a heart. I might just do the event, honestly.
Yeah, should we do the event?
What is it? A 3v3 sumo again?
Yeah.
This game's like a sumos.
Okay, I joined the sumo. Let's see if we can actually win an event in this.
Yo, you see me? Remember that one time I won with 0 kills?
Oh yeah.
Where are you? I'm trying to find you. I know you went this way.
I'm behind you.
Oh my god, that's so creepy, bro. Minecraft turning into a horror game now.
Wait, are you in it?
Yeah, I'm in it.
But are you in it?
Alright, time to watch. No, I'm watching. Oh my gosh, the guy just got knocked off instantly. I reckon the mushroom car's gonna win. The mushroom car's gonna win, I reckon.
I'm not sure, but I think people can party in this, so you can pick the teams.
Oh.
Anyone,
yeah,
if they know, comment down in the description if you can. I meant the comments.
Yeah, Maz, where are you? Oh, you're here. Smash.
Yeah,
We do be having to play 1.8.9, so well I do, Miles doesn't have to. He's lucky. He got mod.
I play 1.8.9.
Spotty dog. With a derpy face.
Oh wow, he just got destroyed.
Oh my gosh. Everybody's getting destroyed now. There's just this one team which keeps on what's it called?
I think we're up next.
Dominating.
Yeah. Wait,
You're up.
we're not on.
Oh wait, you're not? Oh
How
wait,
many
true,
people
there is
joined
15
us?
players. There are 15 players. I'm just gonna spam in chat, you know. Miles, I figured out when you press slash, you need to delete the slash for it to actually send.
I know, you can just click T instead.
Can you? Why didn't you tell me? Oh yeah, by the way, I just started. When
Bruh,
did
I'm
I
not
start,
in
Miles?
again.
I'm not in. When did I start, Miles? Did I start
Like
Christmas?
3 days ago.
Yeah, I started on Christmas. Let's go Christmas.
Oh, you played on Christmas?
Yes, because
I didn't
Christmas
realise it
was
cold.
very boring. Well, not really, but.
Hopefully I'm in. Oh, I'm in.
Oh, I'm not even in it yet. Wait, Miles, that means
I'm
it's gonna be.
PvP.
Miles, that means I'm gonna be in the last round. The last set of rounds. Miles, to
Bruh, I'm
survive!
getting
Oh,
clapped.
yeah, but that,
Why?
Miles, I'm in my finals. Yeah, watch me, I'm in my finals.
Someone said I went to EE conflict. What?
Yeah. Miles, you ready? You ready? Imagine I win.
Benjamin, if you win this, you win the whole thing. Come on, Benji.
No!
No,
Bro, they have
your
such...
teammates might win.
Come on, teammates.
It's
Oh,
a
never mind, it's a
2v1.
2v1.
Oh!
No! My teammate, it was very good, but not good enough.
Should we wait for another event or should we keep on playing?
I just found sets of diamond armor. Miles,
He
come to me, I
hosted it
found a
again.
lot. Did he?
This will.
Oh, you're joking. I found
This,
so many sets of diamond armor.
this can be the last one, and then we'll go
Miles, I got 2
PvP.
instant damage.
Did you actually? From the
Yeah.
floor?
Yeah, the floor's overpowered.
Keep them in the chest.
Right, I did. I also got a poison pot yesterday.
Oh yeah, you get them from Kit Archer, I think, or Kit Default.
Where are you? Are you in it?
Yes, I'm very high. I see you down there.
Are you like...
I'm on a house behind you. Up.
This house?
No, behind you. The one next
What
to
do you
it.
mean?
On the left. No,
This is
the
very
other side of that.
confusing. Oh, that... Oh, you're literally floating.
Ah!
Mars, do you get a good view?
What? We could not find you a random partner for the event. Sorry. It kicked me off. No.
Come and spectate me.
I'ma just PvP.
Imagine it doesn't put me until the end again.
Ooh, tacky man.
It hasn't put me.
What's
Yeah,
it called?
it hasn't put me in second either though. It hasn't put me in second.
Why are people killing me? Kill Tacky Mama.
Yeah, that's his last name. Is this gonna be like a live stream then?
No, we're recording a video.
Oh, okay. I'm in third. Can I win? Mars, I actually got the good team though. I got the good team who won last time.
Did you actually?
Spotty dog.
I just yoinked a punch too from someone. Oh
Oh,
my.
my team got demolished. I'll join you. Let
I
me go get
yoinked
Mars.
a
Mars,
punch.
some instant damage.
Yeah, sure.
Do you know, come back up to spawn, and I'll give
Okay.
you some.
I yoinked someone.
Miles, do you want my god bow? Do you want my god bow?
No, I got a god bow. Thanks.
I mean, it's a power 3. Probably worse than what you've got. I mean,
Got
yeah, worse.
3 as well, but I got punched.
Wait, do you have a set of diamonds? I can give you some.
Yeah, can I have a set?
I'm at the middle.
Because it's easier.
Actually, oh, I see you. Here. Wait, what? I can't pick anything, bro.
You have to click it and then manually put it in.
Oh wait, let me get a set of diamond armor then.
Alright.
Wait, I'll give you my diamond boots as well.
Thanks.
Do you want some poison potion?
I don't mind. Sure.
Yeah, I got one, right. Send me another trade.
There.
Yeah, it isn't full diamond, but it's good enough, I think.
Oh yeah, that's all I needed. Wait, I only need the boots and the
Yeah.
pants. Oh, thanks.
Oh, he's doing another seamer. Do you wanna do it?
Now, they're just gonna clap us again.
Wait, let me just try and find a sword, because I don't have one. Oh, there we go.
I'm gonna get a god apple because I have an insta.
Wait, where are you? Are you down at the bottom?
No, I'm just getting a god apple. There we go.
Oh no, I'm being killed. Oh, I just got killed with all my armor.
Did you actually? Who killed you? I killed him.
Wait, no, I'm not being killed. It's Tacky Mama. He's shooting me.
Where's Taki Mama? I'll kill him.
Oh, wait, are you down?
Yeah.
Oh, hi.
I got an insta.
Nice. I don't bring mine just in case.
Okay, I'm risking it. I might kill this Max right now. Should I insta them? No,
Miles, behind you. Get Tacky Mama.
Wait, nah, I'm going for. Oh.
He's well weak though. He's on 4 hearts.
Okay, I'll come. Oh,
He's
nah.
on 2 hearts.
This person's trying to kill me.
Killed him.
Nice.
Wait, where are you?
I'm chasing this person.
Tacky Mama's come back. He's got range, I can't fight him. He's got range. Right, I might be dead. Miles, I'm here. Miles, get Tacky Mama.
Okay. This kid's on me.
Dude, I just got bowed all the way down the hill.
That could have been me.
I'm on half a heart, I died. I'm getting a new set. Wait, Miles, I have two god apples in my chest.
Nice.
Like enchanted god apples.
Yeah, nice.
Do you want one?
I'm alright.
What, do you have some?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna get a god set of iron. Wait, I'm coming back to where you might be. Wait, are you fighting a guy in iron?
No, not iron.
No, I didn't know.
Oh, I died. I wasted the insta though, so he didn't get it. I think I'm gonna end it here.
Okay.
Okay, like and subscribe everyone. Hope you enjoyed and see you in the next one. Bye.